Yo! Yo, what the heck? Where is all my stuff? Oh wait. That's right, there's a hurricane a-comin'. A-comin'? Yes, I said a-comin'. What's going on, guys? So we are preparing for a major hurricane to hit here in Florida. Hurricane Milton, a Category 5 storm. But I think when it gets to Orlando on Wednesday, it's going to be a Category 2 or 3. Nobody really knows for sure what category Orlando is getting. But wow. So, let's talk about a few things. SeaWorld was the first park to close out of all the Orlando parks. Legoland also closed, but that's not considered an Orlando park. But Universal just posted something about that they're adjusting the hours on Wednesday, that they're closing at 2. Halloween Horror Nights is canceled both nights, and they're closing on Thursday. Disney has yet to not announce anything, and it is Tuesday the 8th at 3 p.m., and Disney still is just monitoring the storm as their app says. I'm kind of surprised, honestly. Like, I get that Disney's such a big resort, but I'm just surprised that they haven't made any adjustments other than like the Fort Wilderness closing and the campgrounds closing. Even Typhoon Lagoon hasn't made any adjustments yet, and that's a water park. That to me is just kind of surprising. But I just hope that everyone stays safe. I went to Publix last night, and I was able to get everything but eggs, and toilet paper was very limited because of the port strike and all that stuff. There was one roll of toilet paper left at my Publix, a roll of 4, and I grabbed it. I was like, wow, like I had never thought I would have to be doing this yet again. It's like 2020. It's like 2020 all over again. Also, too, if you guys didn't know, Wawa sells eggs. I have a Wawa 1 block away from me. They had eggs. They had 1 carton left, and I grabbed that too because I'm actually riding this storm by myself. So Lauren has to go up to Cleveland for a medical appointment, so I am going to be here alone the next several days. Now, as I hope that the whole state of Florida has minimal damage, I hope everybody stays safe. My biggest thing is that I'm running this out alone. I hope I do not lose power. That's the only thing I want. But honestly, overall, what I want is for everybody to have very minimal damage, because Orlando usually doesn't get hit the most during these type of storms. The last like real major storm I feel like we had was Irma, and I think this is going to be close to that, I think. I just think it's going to be more of a Category 2 or 3 once it makes landfall here in Orlando. I'm going to try to get some footage of the storm when it hits. But like I said, I just hope I don't lose power. I just hope also, too, that everyone stays safe. I really wonder what Disney is honestly going to do. But I am all well stocked up. I have some food. I have my PS5 inside. I'll be playing that. I'm actually doing a little project right now for my father. I have a lot of old VHS tapes, and I'm actually converting them to the computers so I can have them on file on my hard drives. So as long as I don't lose power, that's pretty much what I'll be working on these next several days. But alright, we'll touch base more once I know about the storm. Also, too, how about those New York Mets, baby? In the NLDS, beat the Brewers. Alonso hit a 3-run home run, top of the 9th, won Game 1. Unfortunately, they should have won Game 2, but they lost. We weren't even supposed to be here. I am so proud of this Mets team, like, you have no idea. There's actually about to be a game in 2 hours from now. Game 3 at Citi Field, 5 p.m. I'm very excited for that. And tomorrow, the New York Rangers open their season in Pittsburgh. But with this storm right now, though, I'm just like, I don't know. I just want this to pass. I just want everything to be okay. I'm just not like, I'm excited, but I'm not like fully excited because of the storm hitting. But I just hope Hurricane Milton just causes little to no damage at all. I just hope everyone in Florida stays safe. You know, I'm sure those who have to evacuate already have. I'm just like, I just want this to pass. But, you know, I'm just not super excited for Mets baseball right now or Rangers hockey. Like, of course I am, but it's just the storm right now is just that I just want it to pass and cause no damage for everybody. Not just me, but for everybody. Also, too, isn't this crazy? Like, look at this weather. This is the weather currently right now, and the transportation service I use legit shut down. Tell me you're old without telling me. Tell me I'm old without telling me I'm old. A DVD VHS player. I'm currently using the VHS to transfer tapes. This program is called Video Capture. It is incredible. It works so good. Right now this is a Hershey Park video from 2001. So how this works is you connect this white wire to here, to the computer. And then it just puts up on the computer. You hit record and then it just downloads a file for you. The wire obviously costs money, but the program itself completely free. This is such a great project, honestly. 4 p.m. and we finally have an update on Walt Disney World. So here's what we have. We have Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom closing at 1 p.m. on 10/9, which is Wednesday, tomorrow. And tomorrow also too, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Disney Springs will be closing at 2 p.m. And nothing has been announced for 10/10, which is Thursday, but that probably will come tomorrow. So good to see that they're just finally taking precaution and keeping everyone safe. It's great to see that. Come here, get some hurricane treats.
Two solo shots for New York to take a 2-0 lead on a frustrated Aaron Nola. Shaking his head. Booed in so
this is what's going on right now.
This year that Carlos Mendoza
I love it. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day, about 10:15 a.m. The hurricane is starting to slowly, I believe, hit the coast. Let's go outside and see what's going on currently. By the way, how about them Mets, baby? Winning again, and tonight the Rangers start back up. And if the Mets win tonight, they move on to the NLCS. Crazy. All the cushions that are here for the fire pit are completely gone. I'm honestly surprised that there's actually chairs still out right now. Like, I would think they would bring all of that in. But they usually have some cabanas and stuff too that are completely gone right now. So they moved all the pool stuff in the second gen. There's all the chairs, the cabana cushions. My complex is very well prepared. Not today. There was totally something in that water I just saw stick out. Woo! It's like I knew I just saw something. Oh, poor duck or goose. Not Alfred Hitchcock. Currently 2:30 p.m. on Wednesday. Like I said, steady rain. Winds aren't too bad just yet. We're mainly just getting the outskirts of the storm right now. Not too bad. Just about 2:30 p.m. Take a look at the radar right here. I am going to go towards where the street is and show you guys what the storm right now is looking like. Right now it's just mainly the outskirts, nothing really serious. The rain is just steady. The winds are picking up a little bit, not as windy as it's predicted to be, so it definitely is a lot more heavier right now, 3:50 p.m. It is definitely coming down. Winds are a lot heavier. Wow. I'm safe to say, Hurricane Milton is here. Quickly transferring my vlog to my phone because I'm currently occupied, but the Mets have a 6-0 lead, baby! By the way, my baby's sitting up there. Speaking of babies, oh, look at that. And this is why I can't get my camera. Lily. She's so cute. The wind level seems to be pretty steady. It's not really like hurricane winds, it's just harder rain right now. Alright, so this is currently at 2:30 p.m. Not too bad right about now. Just getting the outskirts of the storm. The rain is kind of light. Winds aren't too bad. It's windier, it's just not like 40-mile-per-hour winds. We'll do another update in a little while. Uh-oh, winds are picking up a little bit. Alright, it is definitely a lot windier. The winds are 21 miles per hour, and the rain is a lot heavier. I have to say, Hurricane Milton, I believe, is here. Especially if you're looking at the radar, it's very close to fully being over Orlando right now. This is 3:50 p.m. Everyone's probably looking at me like, why is this guy... Everyone's looking at me probably like, why is this guy filming? I'm like, I like kind of recording this stuff, I guess. Yeah, I kind of walked a ways away from where I live because this is a better area to film. This is the status at 3:50 p.m. Winds are definitely picking up. 21 miles an hour at the moment. Winds are about 21 miles an hour. Alright, so almost 4 o'clock, and yeah, the winds are about roughly 22 miles an hour now, the weather app is saying. Yeah, I think Milton is here, if not at least, like, it's very, very close to making landfall. I feel like this is landfall, but the worst part of the storm is actually going to be, like, around 6 a.m. Thursday tomorrow. But, here we are. Actually, my video camera is struggling recording this rain because the water just goes right into the lens. So I guess I will be recording the rest of this on my phone. Well, that's not off to a good start. Yikes. Yeah. Hopefully there's no itsy bitsy spiders going up the water spout. This is through my screen. We just got a tornado warning until 4:45 p.m. Phenomenal. Just phenomenal. Freaking tornado warning. This is currently a tornado warning. Unreal. Update, we have a tornado warning until now, 5:15. So I'm just going to play video games until if the power goes out, or college football, because why not? Alright, 5 p.m. we still have power. That's just started. Also, too, currently making dinner. Look what I am cooking currently. Making some nice pork with some broccoli. Because why not? Alright, top of the second, no score, dinner's in the oven. Perfect time to go outside and see what is going on. Alright, 5:30 update. I feel like the storm is like weakening a little bit. Not by much, but we're still in like the path where I'm at. It just, it's, I don't know, I feel like we're in the eye basically, but like it's just not as heavy as I thought it was. Like here's another update. Actually, it's really hard to get a video in here, so once I head back downstairs, once I'm done eating, I will go back downstairs and do a video outside again. Just cause the tornado warning passed, I'm not messing around with that. But it's just real heavy rain, honestly. I feel like the winds aren't even that severe, I feel like. Well, the cats seem to be getting somewhat comfortable. Hi. I just don't want you babies to be scared. That's all. I love you guys. Alright, current time is 5:37. And I feel like it's actually somewhat lighter than what it was before. But yet it says the winds are about 20 miles an hour. It doesn't seem terrible. But as you look on the screen recording that I did, we're like still kind of like we're close to the. I feel like this is considered tropical storm conditions. Not really at the hurricane at the moment, but we're very close. But yeah, I'm no weatherman, so don't mind me if I get anything wrong. But wow, 5:37 p.m. update. And it says on Weather Channel that right now it's currently 21-mile-per-hour winds. Hi, Princess. You braving out the storm okay?
2 down. Frozen with that fastball.
Oh, she loves her cuddles.
2 times through, the Phillies only
Such a
have
good
1
baby.
hit. It's that double from Castellanos, the strikeout here. Just a perfect Schwarber. Whoa, inside and hit him. And he is aboard with 2 outs, on base for the first time.
Look at that face. Hurricane cuddles.
That was solid. No! Ribs.
Oh, Princess.
The rivalry is alive and well, I would say.
Just rubbing the wrong spot. It was more in the lat rib area than the tricep.
There's Reed Garrett. Has a win in this series.
All right, current time is 7:10. Mets are still down 1-0, and they got 2 outs in the top of the 6th. We're gonna go downstairs to do another update to go see what it's looking like out there. Also, it's saying that the winds are 23 miles an hour right now, so let's go outside and see what's going on. That's for sure. The rain itself right now, about 7:10, not so bad. I don't feel like it's like, the eye isn't here yet. Again, this is more of the outskirts of the storm. And that's what I meant to say earlier. I didn't mean to say the eye was over. It's the outskirts. This is currently at 7:10 p.m. It's saying that the winds are 23 miles an hour currently. Oh my god, there is a car in the street. Yeah, it doesn't seem awful. Like it's, again, the outskirts, and we had tornado warnings. I mean, all right, just looking at the Weather Channel app, and it's saying now at 4 a.m. the winds are going to be 53 miles an hour. That is insanity. 53 miles per hour. Wow. I might have to track it up around 4 a.m. and see what's actually going on here. Yeah, right now the Mets were losing 1-0 when I walked out. There was 2 outs in the top of the 6th, so I have to get back inside and see what's going on. By the way, Rangers start in about a half an hour too. But wow. So yeah, your 7:10 update. It's saying that it's about 23 mile per hour winds. And then at 4 a.m. it's going to be 53 mile per hour winds. Alright. Let's head back inside. It was just a big gust of wind. here is a view from my floor again. Francisco Lindor just hit a grand slam, and the Rangers scored a goal.
This pick by Alonso to retire Wilson. The 6-9.
Current situation, you got the Rangers on this TV, they're winning. And now that Lindor hit the grand slam, the Mets are winning.
Disaster for the bullpen. Even
What a night.
if they left that game one, there's been nobody that can.
The 1-2 pitch.
Going to the championship!
Incredible turnaround by the New York Mets has taken them to their first.
This is so unreal, man. NLCS bowed. My baby's on the cat tree. This is just so unreal, man.
You're 11 games under 500 at the end of May, and now you will be playing for the National League pennant.
All right, we're gonna do an 8:35 p.m. update. We are outside. Oh yeah, the storm is definitely here. The storm is definitely here. 8:35 p.m. I can't believe there's actually people on the roads. It says the winds are still only about 23 miles an hour, which I thought it would be a lot worse now, but you could definitely see in the street the rain is definitely coming down. Oh, this is your 8:35 update. Winds are 23 miles an hour. That's just an idea right there on how heavy the rain is right now. besides the storm, though, this night keeps getting better and better. The Rangers just won 6-0. And I'm going to do one more update tonight before the storm really gets here. Between the hours of 1 and 4 is when it's supposed to be the worst. So we are going to do a 10:15 p.m. update. Okay, here is the 10:15 p.m. update. It is not raining, and it says it's 23 miles an hour winds, but it's not raining. This is mad weird. Like, there's legit no rain right now, it's just winds at 23 miles an hour. Crazy. Like, how is there no rain right now? Insane. So yeah, it's just mind-boggling that there's no rain right now. Legit about 10:15 and no rain, just the heavy winds, which are only still at 23 miles an hour. Alright, 11:48 update. So in Tampa, the Tropicana Field roof legit fell off, like it's completely gone. And right now, the winds are pretty picking up over here. I just pray everything is okay. My concern right now is this. I hope it's just the drywall that's coming off. I assume. But this is the update before I attempt to go to bed. And 11:48 p.m. we still have power. Very lucky with this, right now at least. I'm gonna try to get up in a couple hours before the real heart of the storm hits. I just can't sleep. 1:15 a.m. update. They're saying that the winds are about 40 miles an hour right now. .45 a.m. update. It's saying that the winds are at 72 miles an hour right now. Very hard to believe. I don't see it. This is the biggest reason why I cannot sleep, because I'm worried about the plaster. I'm worried about this going inside for some reason, even though it's probably not. It's just my stupid luck. Alright, I think I'm finally gonna try to get some sleep. I am just... I understand that that's not like a major concern, but the plaster falling from the porch ceiling just concerned me, that damage going into the apartment. But thankfully I have a really good buddy back in Jersey who actually explained that it's probably not thinking, or it's not going to happen what I think is going to happen. So, alright, almost 2 a.m. I think I gotta go to bed. I'll try to get up in a couple hours and see what's going on.
The next day.
Right now, it's saying that the winds are about 22 miles an hour, but the storm is out of Orlando, thankfully. Right now, we just have some high winds still, but the high winds are considered 22 mile an hour winds. Little to no damage here. Lots of debris. And that's really it. Well, the pool area is flooded. Other than that, damages around my complex have been very minimal. Okay, close to being flooded. There is water over here. Yeah, they're still saying the winds are about 22 miles an hour right now. I don't think it is. I feel like it's less, but... So yeah, other than debris scattered around, no other real damages here. We didn't lose power at all. We got lucky. But yeah, the storm is officially past. There's some of the outskirts in Cape Canaveral right now. Other than that, Hurricane Milton is gone. Thank God. Alright, back to where we were doing the videos at. Yeah, the storm is definitely past. Hurricane Milton, I don't like you. Wow. So yesterday I was doing vlogs. I was coming out of this gate nonstop. How did this end up right here? And that. How do you know who's who's now? Okay, so now I see this. Here's one of the lights. Damn. Alright, so very minimal damage here. We got very lucky, but others didn't, so my heart and prayers go out to pretty much almost anyone who's got really affected through like the Lakeland area, through the Tampa area, through the Sarasota area. I just pray for you guys. I pray that those who don't have power get it back soon. I'm just sending good vibes, and I hope everything goes well. Alright. Well, that's gonna do it from the Hurricane Milton video. This video is done. I will see you guys in the next one.